Hello, I'm Sarah Palin. I'm from Alaska, and this is my friend Jahn McCain. They call me Jahn McCain, and I'm a veteran. Hi, everybody. You really can see Russia from my house. I know I told you that, and I'm going to straight talk the American people. Yeah, and you know what? I used to be really hot, and now I'm a MILF. And then I was hot before, and now I'm a MILF. Hot MILF. You see? You see how that works? Jahn McCain picked me.
Yes, I did. I picked her for vice president. You can see Russia from her house. You see?
That's right, Jahn. He's my soulmate. Yes, he is. That's true. Yep. See, I used to be hot. Now I'm a MILF. See? Jahn had to pick somebody that was actually good looking because he's so ugly. Yeah, that's right. God sent us on a mission. Hot MILF. You see how that works? Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, I think I just shit my pants.